Hello, my name is Sajid Sahadevan. I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager for Field Service at Microsoft. Thank you for joining me today. I will be talking about Field Service and Connected Field Service and all the new capabilities for Field Service that's coming out in October 2018. As you know, Dynamics 365 for Field Service helps you deliver a seamless end-to-end service experience. With built-in intelligence, you can resolve service issues before they occur, reduce operational costs, and deliver positive on-site experiences. And now, when you combine Dynamics with Azure IoT, you have Connected Field Service, which helps you proactively detect, troubleshoot, and resolve issues remotely. Also, you can extend the capabilities of Connected Field Service for advanced scenarios by adding things like mixed reality and other applications to the mix. Now let's talk about what's new in Field Service. We have two important things that are new in October 2018. One is Connected Field Service with Azure IoT Central, and the other one is mixed reality or remote assist. Let's talk about Connected Field Service with Azure IoT Central. This release has enhanced Azure IoT Central integration with Dynamics 365 for Field Service, which will enable proactive and predictive service. Building on previous integration, we will now support bidirectional flows. For example, sending commands from Field Service through Azure IoT Central to the device. The power of IoT is also extended to the technician with embedded IoT Central visuals and measurements within the Field Service mobile app. The other exciting functionality we are releasing is called Remote Assist. Microsoft Remote Assist lets you connect and collaborate with heads-up, hands-free video calling, image sharing, and mixed reality annotations. We have first-line workers using Microsoft HoloLens to share what they see with experts on Microsoft Teams while staying hands-on to solve problems and complete tasks together. As with everything at Microsoft, the Remote Assist is backed by enterprise-level security, which enables communication with a peace of mind. The next thing we have is integration with Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. This integration allows for master data, for example, things like account, product, and price list, and work order data to be pushed to sales orders when work orders are marked as closed. It also offers warehouse, purchase order, and invoice integration. Now let's look at what's new in mobile. As you know, we have made significant investments in the past year in our mobile capabilities, starting with the new version of Field Service mobile application. This new version introduces a number of new functionalities like multi-factor authentication, fingerprint authentication, and much, much more. Additionally, it introduces a number of visual enhancements, including a dynamics color scheme, dynamics icons, and a completely redesigned booking agenda screen. We also give you a sample bot that we developed with Microsoft Bot Framework within our mobile app. You can grab our sample app and get it up and running in no time, allowing technicians to converse with it to get the job done faster. Our mobile application now allows for technicians to share their current location while the app runs in the background. You view a resource's location in near real time on the schedule board and define actions that should take place when a resource enters the location using our geofencing capabilities. And then we have a push notifications that allows for field service technicians to receive push notifications anytime they're assigned the booking, or if one of their bookings has changed, or when they've arrived on site to complete a work order, provided the location is being shared. Now, when and how these push notifications are triggered is entirely customizable and configurable for any use case. One of the other major areas of investments that we have made is around optimizing your field service resources. Within that, we have a multi-resource scheduling, which allows for multiple resources to be scheduled against a single work order. This has been a common request from our customers who have complex work orders requiring more than a single resource to complete the work. Then we have resource pools. in which you can associate resources to resource pools to enable schedulers to book requirements to a generic pool without needing to decide which resource will actually perform the work. We also have a single resource optimization, which provides a quick and simple way to re-optimize a selected resource to ensure that a resource still has an optimal route, even though their schedule has changed. Staying with resource scheduling optimization, we also have statistics for what-if analysis. Here, RSO administrators can leverage simulation runs to adjust optimization scope, objectives, and other parameters to understand what optimization results look like before actually booking the resource. We have a new self-service scheduling API that allows organizations to embed a scheduling widget on their own mobile application, enabling customers to search for availability and book appointments. While we have goals of building the widget itself, the primary focus of this initiative is to unleash our APIs to the partner and customer ecosystem so that they can then go and build their own visuals. And finally, we are providing an out-of-the-box Power App sample app for universal resource scheduling optimization that can interact with the resource availability search APIs and pass back information to create a booking. Now, I'll show you a simple demo for our enhanced field service mobile app that we completely redesigned. So this is the home screen of our field service mobile app. As you can see, we have completely redesigned what the user experience looks like, not just the visuals, but also the navigation within the app. It makes it very easy for a user to navigate through the app. This is what a home screen looks like. You have dashboard, where if you're a technician, you can look at your work order, your agenda for the day, for the week, and for the month. You can also look at your time of request and your bookings that you need to work on. And then we have tabs for accounts and contacts and products and customer assets. And one of the new cool things that we are releasing this October is the ability to scan a customer asset. Now, for those of us in the service industry, we know that not every technician is equipped to do every job. So when a technician is out on the field at a customer site, and if he or she does not know how to fix an equipment, they can use the field service mobile app and scan a QR code on the customer asset. To show that, I have a demo here. So this is a piece of hardware that has a QR code. So what you need to do is scroll down on your homepage all the way till where it says scan customer asset. Click on that, and then scan the QR code that's on the customer asset. So once it's scanned, as you can see, it immediately opens up a screen that shows you all the information about the asset. Not only that, the cool thing is there's also a three-dimensional model assembly sequence. So you click on the assembly sequence, it will show you in 3 dimensions how to disassemble this part or how to put together this part. So now you see this is an imagery that's scanned from this customer device, and then it'll tell you exactly how to remove that part and how to put that parts back together. So this concludes our demo, and I want to thank you for joining me today to talk about field service and connected field service. Make sure to visit Dynamics 365 website to learn more about what we covered today. Thank you.